Hey everyone, here's my face. I have to go to Supply. It's like 9 in the morning. And they're widening the road here. This is where I buy most of my stuff. Like most of my house is built from this place here. Materials from this place purchased. Road out here, San Narciso. Road widening, so busy. So much noise. Activity. So I'll show a little bit of it. A couple cement mixers. And my father, Max, that was really his only job in life. Went to the Korean War, got that done with that. Back to Zanesville, Ohio. Drove a cement mixer all his life. Driving truck, pouring concrete. Pretty cool. Kinda cool. Widening the road here in San Narciso. Trying to make it 4 lanes instead of just this is a highway. Then 2 lanes forever. Going to be wider. Look. Get out of the way. Right, sir. Yeah, just a little short. Couple minutes. Yeah. Congestion. 1 lane. And directing traffic. Okay, everyone. 2-minute video. Didn't be a lot of cars in the Philippines. I was here 25 years ago. You hardly ever seen a car. Now, so many cars. Nice cars too. Okay. More again later.